guys, so today we're going to show you how to fit the works door latch cover. So basically you can see on these they do go, I've tried to clean these up basically, and as you can see they still don't look the most appealing things, so we're just going to show you how to do those today. So we always advise use of a heat gun or hairdryer. So we're going to basically warm up. These are actually stone cold obviously in this weather, it's not good, so we're just going to heat up the surface, get that to obviously get a good adhesion, and then we're obviously going to use a little adhesion primers as well, which is these, which will supply with them. So just get a good bit of heat there, you don't want to melt the rubbers, so just keep an eye on how warm it's actually getting there. And then once you've got, just needs to be like warm basically. You're going to get that, and we'll just warm that off. Then we get our little adhesion primer. And we're just going to wipe on where it sticks, so basically there and there. And this will just help the thing glue to it then. So we'll just dry that off. Also when it's this sort of weather, which we're mid-January now, so you can imagine it is pretty cold. Anytime you're sticking anything like this, always heat the glue. You can see there, just going to waft it over and just get a bit of warmth on that. And then it's just a case of peeling the red tape, which is also tricky, and you can see there how sticky the glue's gone. So it is mega sticky stuff, this. We've left the protective film on for now, and then you're just going to hook it over the back there, get it lined up, and a good firm press down. And there you go. And then obviously at that point, you can try and get the protective tape off like I'm struggling with. And then obviously just peel that round all the way. And you can see there what a difference that makes. Like I say, it is just a little letdown. If you've done everything to your car, this is just a nice addition at the end there because it just finishes it off. You can buy these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing. There'll be plenty more videos to follow. Thanks for watching.